jalur informasi paling dinamis. Beragam informasi paling heboh di Global TV. Mulai dari cool stuff, classy ride, martial art, tempat-tempat paling seru buat nongkrong dan klub-klub seru. Sampai membedah rahasia selebriti yang belum pernah terungkap akan didapatkan di sini. Class World Fun and Party. Setiap Sabtu, jam setengah 10 malam waktu Indonesia Barat di Global TV.
Bapak nggak salah pilih. Paket setahun TV berlangganan kami paling asik, Pak.
Kalau ada apa-apa gimana?
Bawa dekodernya ke sini, kita bantu. Selamat menikmati.
Terus kalau saya mau... Loh, toko tadi mana?
Udah tutup, ikan hias aja. Ada paket setahun.
Makanya, pilih TV berlangganan yang paling berpengalaman. Indovision lebih dari 10 tahun dipercaya 70% lebih pemirsa TV berlangganan.
Mau langganan, Mbak?
Kamu...
Indovision, bukan yang lain.
Saling menghajar lawan dengan strategi dan kecepatannya. Jangan sampai melewatkan Minggu 10 Juli jam 7 malam langsung di Global TV. Acara ini dipersembahkan oleh Toyota dan didukung oleh Bridgestone dan Petronas.
After being designated as the suspect, the owner of Samuel Orphanage was officially detained on Tuesday afternoon.
Indonesian Umrah congregation arrested by security officials in Mecca for cutting the silk covering of the Kaaba or Kiswah.
Jakarta residents are worried many pedestrian bridges are not safe from criminal acts.
Turning off the lights for 1 hour. It is one of the ways to express that a simple movement done together can make a big impact. For the Earth Hour that's held annually is a moment to remind us to live the green lifestyle. Green lifestyle is a contemporary lifestyle movement which actually does not contradict the modern lifestyle.
Surveillance cameras captured the ambush of rapper XXX Tentacion as he prepared to leave a Deerfield Beach motorcycle dealership last June. The cameras show a vehicle block the rapper's exit, and then men jump out of the vehicle and confront XXX Tentacion. One of the men goes into his car. Then there's a confrontation and a robbery, and the men shoot and kill the talented young artist. Surveillance video also showed XXX inside the dealership that day when at least one of the suspects walked past him. A short time later, the drama unfolded outside. 4 men in all are charged in the murder. One of them, Robert Allen, appeared in court this week asking to have his bond reduced.
He, to some extent, was at the wrong place, at the wrong time, with the wrong people.
Jim Lewis is Allen's defense attorney.
But it's always been my client's position is he didn't know this was going to be a robbery. He didn't participate in it. He didn't share in any of the fruits of it.
Lewis said Allen never left the vehicle to take part in the robbery, but prosecutors and investigators accuse Allen of playing a role in the murder. The judge denied Allen's request. And now investigators continue to build their case against the men seen in this dramatic and horrifying video.
But I'm, Jackie, in no doubt at all about your responsibility in this. And 2 million of us on the streets of London told you so at the time. And for you now to try and wash your hands of your share of the responsibility, I'm afraid that's a spot that will not out. All the perfumes of Arabia will not expunge that spot.
And all of your poetry, George, doesn't prevent people from being murdered and massacred in Iraq and Syria at the moment. I'm not washing my hands of what happened in the past.
You killed a million people in Iraq.
That is a separate...
You killed 1 million people in Iraq. It's incredible that you have the brass neck to be sitting here now urging another Iraq war
George,
after
if
what
I
you've
was still
already
in
done.
Parliament, I would be there tomorrow, living up to my responsibility to answer the call of the Iraqi government and people to help to support them. And the fact that you aren't is something that you will have to live with.
Let me ask a final question to you, George. If not bombing, if not intervention, how do we deal with this cancer?
Give Iraq the weapons that it's already paid for but haven't been delivered. Strengthen the Peshmerga. Strengthen the governments of Iraq and Syria, and ask Saudi Arabia, Turkey and Iran to fight this battle. It's their battle, not ours.
Ada yang selalu dinanti keluargaku setiap hari. Sudah siap? Sedap. Rasanya takkan pernah terganti. Setiap saat, setiap waktu, kami menunggu sedapnya selalu.
Mantap, euy. Bu, mau mie sedap, Bu.
Puas sedapnya.
Ya Allah, ya Rabbi, ampuni hamba, jauhkan bala sakit kepala. Hei, bala sakit kepala. Sakit kepala. Allah, ya Rabbi, ampuni kami, jauhkan bala sakit gigi. Hei, bala sakit gigi. Sakit gigi. Hei, bala buyar nafas. Buyar nafas.
Dapatkan 45 mobil idaman dan 4.500 motor. Nantikan juga Grand Prize Mercedes-Benz S-Class di akhir periode. Bergabunglah bersama komunitas tahapan BCA dan tingkatkan terus saldo Anda.
Batuk? Pilih sobat yang benar. Comics OBH. Solusi semua batuk Anda. Comics Jahe. Untuk batuk anak, Comics Kid. Comics kini semakin terasa bekerja langsung mengobrak abrik batuk di sarangnya. Comics, solusi batuk.
100% baru Extra. Jarum coklat Extra.
Minum Appleton Weight Gain. Dengan PER tinggi, bantu tingkatkan kemampuan protein buat bikin badanmu berisi. It's easy, Appleton Weight Gain untuk menambah berat badan dari Appleton.
Bapak nggak salah pilih. Paket setahun TV berlangganan kami paling asik, Pak.
Kalau ada apa-apa gimana?
Bawa dekodernya ke sini, kita bantu. Selamat menikmati.
Terus kalau saya mau... Loh, toko tadi mana?
Udah tutup, ikan hias aja. Ada paket setahun.
Makanya, pilih TV berlangganan yang paling berpengalaman. Indovision lebih dari 10 tahun dipercaya 70% lebih pemirsa TV berlangganan.
Mau langganan, Mbak?
Kamu.
Indovision, bukan yang lain.
100% baru Jarum coklat Extra.